Hello friends, this is Nidhi and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you the Paneer Tikka Sabzi recipe, the tasty Paneer Tikka Sabzi. So if you find my video useful, then please subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. So first we need to see the ingredients. Here I have taken 200 gram of diced paneer, half cup of yogurt or curd, 2 tablespoons of besan, 2 tablespoons of grated ginger and garlic, you can use paste as well, some pieces of onion and black peppers, half teaspoon of chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, some salt to taste, half lemon, 1 tablespoon mustard oil and 1 tablespoon butter. These are the ingredients for paneer tikka. And for gravy, here I have taken 2 big onions, I have sliced it, 2 big tomato, roughly chopped it, just roughly chopped it, 1 inch ginger, I have roughly chopped it also, 14 to 15 garlic, 2 black cardamom, half teaspoon of chaat masala, 1/3 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, pinch of red food color, this is optional, some salt to taste, 4 tablespoon oil, 2 tablespoon butter and some fresh coriander leaves. So let's make the sabji. So first we need to prepare a marinade. So for this, take a big mixing bowl, add curd into it, now add 2 tablespoons of besan and grated ginger and garlic, and you can use ginger garlic paste as well. As I am not having that, so I just grate the ginger and garlic and using it. Now add some masala. So 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, some salt to taste. Now add juice from half lemon, and 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, give this a good mix. Now drop the paneer pieces into this marinade one by one and mix this well till all paneer pieces are coated with this marinade, but be very gentle, otherwise our paneer pieces will break. Now add onion and bell peppers and mix this well till all paneer, onion and bell peppers are coated with this marinade. Actually, I am so sorry, I am using my hands. This is looking so messy right now. And now for marination, keep this bowl in refrigerator for about half an hour. After half an hour the marination is done, so we'll cook the tikkas. So for this, take a non-stick tawa or pan, turn on the flame and add 1 tablespoon butter and let it melt. When the butter melts, place the paneer tikka one by one on this hot tawa, like so. cook the tikkas for about 2 to 3 minutes on a high flame and keep flipping them, and don't overcook these, otherwise after some time they'll turn hard. So cook the paneer only for 2 to 3 minutes. Now our tikkas are ready, so take them out on a plate and cook the onion and bell peppers for about 4 to 5 minutes on a high flame. Now place the onion and bell peppers and cook these for about 4 to 5 minutes. And if some marinade is left, don't worry, we'll use this in our gravy. Now our onion and bell peppers are also ready, so take them out and let's jump to the next step, which is frying onion and tomato for gravy. So for this, take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil into it and let it heat. When the oil becomes hot, add the chopped ginger and garlic and fry them for about 30 to 40 seconds. Now add sliced onion and fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes on a high flame. Now the onions are fried, so add the chopped tomato and fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes on a low flame. Now our tomatoes are also fried, so turn off the flame and let it cool down completely. Now the mixture is cooled down, so transfer this mixture into a blender like so and blend this to a smooth paste, and if needed you can add little water. Now finally we'll make our sabji. So for this, take the same pan, you can use any other pan as well. Add 2 tablespoons oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm using butter because butter will give the great taste to the sabji. And when the oil becomes hot, turn the flame to low and add 2 black cardamom and masalas like Chaat Masala, black pepper powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric and coriander powder, and fry these for about a minute. Now add the onion and tomato paste. Mix it well, like so. And turn the flame to medium, and at this time add the leftover marinade. Don't waste anything. Mix this well. Add a pinch of red food color. This is optional, but this will give the red color to the sabji. Mix this well. Now add some water. You can adjust the consistency of gravy of your choice. Mix this well. Now cover this and cook the masala for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now after 12 minutes the gravy is ready. First mix it. Now add fresh coriander leaves and some salt to taste. Mix this well. Now add paneer tikka. Mix this gently. Now cover this and cook it another for 5 to 6 minutes, keeping the flame low. Now after 5 minutes the sabji is ready. Our hot paneer tikka sabji is ready. So turn off the flame and transfer this to a serving plate. Here I have added 1 cup of water. If you want to use more water then you can, but the dhaba style sabji has a gravy type consistency. So, and if you like my video then please like this and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.